how it is used, as well as some extensions. So next we will look at the df command, which gives us information of file systems and mounts that are currently on our system, as well as how much space is used and how much is available. And if we use the du command, this also shows us disk usage for directories on our Linux machine. If we look at free, it shows us memory and swap usage, as well as free space for these two options. Our locate commands can be used to find a file, folder, or program and give the user a path to its results. As you can see, it finds it based on the name specified. Next is our ping command, which can be useful in diagnostics of, let's say, downtime for network usage, or identifying whether a computer on your network is up or not. It could even be an external network. So as you can see, 0.4 is currently up, and it identifies whether packets were lost or whether there was an error in the transaction. The host that was not up, 0.100, destination host unreachable, that's because it is currently not active. And then our 10, 10, 16, 17, well, we're on a different network using a different subnet, so it will be unable to find anything of that address. Next, I will be showing you the command whois. So whois is a program that can identify different domains on a host, as well as any trusted domains and server names associated. So this can be very useful in gathering information on networks that you may be pen testing, as well as defining possible relationships between hosts. So our next one is the wget command. This can be used to retrieve files from external locations. So for example, if we're trying to get a file, one of the processes we can use is our FTP protocol, and you just need to specify your username and your password, and then FTP your web server or your host, and whereabouts the file is stored, as well as an IP address. So as you can see, I'm trying to get a file of 10.10.32.100 via FTP, and it is located in the directory share. So next is our apt-get command. So apt-get can be used for a range of different things, where it be to install a file, merge a file, purge, or remove. So I will show you some of the extensions for this now, or some of the switches. So as you can see, some of the commands are update, upgrade, install, remove, auto remove, purge. You can also specify source, distribution upgrades, a whole heap of useful stuff. So one example would be apt-get install software center, and what this will do is it will install the Ubuntu software center, which is also very useful to have. A command, once software center is installed, you can use this command to remove it. And you can use the purge command to get rid of any configuration files or anything also associated with software center. So next I will be showing the tar with the XFV extension, and what this does is it will pretty much unpackage a file with a .tar extension. So as you can see, a tar with a -CF switch will allow you to create a tar archive folder, and a tar file with tar with the -XF switch will allow you to extract it. So these are just a couple of the extensions that we will be using. The -V extension or switch, it is not needed, but I do like to use it because it shows me that the process is running and doing what I require. If you don't know whether it's successful or not, because it will not display any contents until it has finished. So if I use a tar-XFV switch, then I should probably change them here as well. Both do work, but I find every now and then I will run into errors if I do not have a dash. So if I just specify the file, which for example I'll just say I am a tar file.tar, so that would be how you unpackage it. And if you use tar with a -XZFV extension, this is used to unpacket files with a gunzip extension, which is pretty much just a way of compressing that tar archive. So that's an example there. Our extension will be tar.gz. And that's all for this video, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a comment.